If you followed along with our other videos, by now you should have learned a bit about the behind-the-scenes side of archives, and you've been able to explore our collections and finding aids. Now, it's time to set up your own Special Collections account. If this is your first time using archival collections at the University of Maryland, you will need to register for a Special Collections account. You can do this by going to the UMD Library's homepage at lib.umd.edu and locating the Accounts button in the top right corner of the screen. This will generate a drop-down menu with Special Collections Account at the bottom. If you are affiliated with the University of Maryland, whether it's being a student, faculty, or staff, use the button on the left. If you are not affiliated with the university, use the button on the right. This will take you to a login screen. To register, you will go to the First Time Users link towards the bottom of the screen. Additional helpful information about access, reading room guidelines, copying of materials, handling, licensing and copyright, data collection, and an acknowledgement are located on this page. Please take a moment to read this information. Once you are done reading, the button reading First Time Users Click Here at the bottom of the page will take you to a registration form. Please note the required fields throughout the form and complete the form with as much information as possible. After you complete the form, click on the Submit Information button. Congratulations, you now have a University of Maryland Special Collections account. Now that you've registered for a Special Collections account, you can log into your account and make requests for Special Collections material and check the status of requests that you've already made. To log in, you can navigate to the UMD Library's homepage by entering lib.umd.edu into your browser search bar and click on the Accounts button in the top right corner. This will generate a drop-down menu where you can select Special Collections account. If you are affiliated with UMD, this button on the left will take you to an authentication page where you will enter your UMD credentials which are associated with your Special Collections account. If you are not affiliated with UMD, the login button on the right will take you to a login screen where you will need to enter the credentials that you created when you registered for your account. The username should be your full email address and the password of your choice. Once you are logged in, you can see your Requests and Processing on the home screen. This will provide you with information about your requested material, and you can view more details or choose from a variety of actions. From the menu at the top of the screen, you can navigate to our various catalogs to make new requests, view your requests and orders for duplication as well as billing, search your requests for keywords, and view your profile. From this option, you'll be able to change information, view notifications and activities, or log off. You can also view links and frequently asked questions that may be helpful for you. When you are finished, please log out of your account. This is especially important if you are using a public computer. To recap, you should now be able to 1. Register for UMD Special Collections account. 2. Log into your account. And 3. Navigate through the different account management options. If you have questions about your account or need assistance submitting a request or checking the status of a request you have already made, Special Collections staff are here to help. Email us at askhornbake@umd.edu. Please see our other tutorials for more information on requesting material, making appointments, and other topics related to archival research.